Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about sugar and carbs and your gut. So when we say sugar, what we think of the simple sugar that we put in the coffee and we make jam and jelly, and it's known as table sugar. In science, this is called sucrose, which is made of two molecules, glucose and fructose, and it's known as simple sugars because it's called simple because it's not linked to long chains like fiber and starches. Most of the sugar is digested by the enzymes in the small intestines, and immediately they go straight to the blood, and the lower amount is digested in the large intestines. So what happens when it goes straight to the blood? Then we have a sugar rush, like the sugar is raised in the blood, and then the pancreas secretes insulin, which is a hormone which tells the cells, like instruction, he's ordering the cells to take the sugar inside the cells in order to lower the sugar in the blood, because we know if it's high then it can damage many parts of the body. So that's how we store fat cells and create. And if we do this constantly, so when the sugar goes down after the insulin secretes and the cells will take all the sugar, then we feel a sugar crash. So again, we feel cravings for sugar, and we crave the same thing, instant sugar. So we want instantly to have the same boost, the same feeling as we had before. So and it's a vicious circle that it goes up and down, and until one day the pancreas cannot secrete insulin anymore, and it creates diabetes. Fructose and glucose silence the key protein, which is called ROC, R-O-C, which is required for colonization of the beneficial bacteria in the gut. So therefore, by blocking this protein, it decreases the amount of the beneficial bacteria and increases the pathogenic bacteria, the bad bacteria in the gut, which is causing changes in the internal mucosal barrier and thus causing gut permeability, also known as leaky gut. This in turn allows undigested substances like proteins to leak through the gut wall and causing inflammatory immune response, which is targeting different substances of the food and is different for everybody. If it targets gluten, it attacks the thyroid. If it targets the casein, protein in the milk, it's causing allergies and pimples and acne on the whole body. If it's sugar, then it causes the brain fog, the blurred vision, and it's in different symptoms. Like everybody is different. Like somebody may have constipation, diarrhea, or memory loss, or joint pain, or loss of concentration, and similar. So what goes in the gut doesn't stay in the gut. So I can tell you about my experience. I have exam at work every year, so I have to study a lot, new things, what's happening every year. And I had to study like 1 month or 2 months in advance before my exam, and I had to read over and over again everything just to put it in my head, I couldn't memorize it. So I was thinking, everybody else, they said, oh, we just need 1 week to study and that's it, we know everything. I knew I was not stupid, so it was problem with my something was damaging, was blocking my memory at that time. So this is because the sugar-loving bacteria and yeast in the gut, they make a byproduct which gets into the bloodstream and crosses the blood-brain barrier, and that's why it causes memory loss, brain fog, and concentration, blurred vision, and similar things. So if we cannot use the sugar immediately, like go and exercise and burn it with our muscles, it goes in the blood, and it causes, when the blood sugar is high, it causes glycosylation, which means it sticks with the proteins permanently, and it causes to sit there and be dysfunctional, and causes free radicals and makes the arterial stiffness, and therefore it's causing cardiovascular disease. So remember, improving your gut health have tremendous impact on the rest of your body. So it's not uncommon for someone to overlook the problems in the gut because of the symptoms. May correlate to something else like fatigue, hormonal imbalance, allergies. That happens all the time to everybody. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video interesting and informative. And don't forget to click on the link above and get my 10 gut-friendly recipes for free. And please leave me a comment or send me a message if you want to ask anything or you want me to talk something special in my next video. My plan is for the next video to talk about toxins and how the toxins damage our gut and what to do to avoid them, to try to avoid them, and to ways to detoxify and everything which is related to toxins. So please send me a message and see you next time. Bye bye.